Yo, 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 yo. They say we on our job, them niggas misinformed. They ain't turning no papers, them niggas misinformed. Pouring up in the foreign like the shit is the norm. Lord just got some more and then hit it with the dorms. Get caught with this shit, we ain't hitting the dorms. It's 18 to 6 lockdowns till we in the morgue. These fuck boys are getting bug boys, they should get informed. I let it bug boys that it rain, don't get caught in the storm. My biggest challenge is up in this challenge. Gotta do keys like a janitor. Try not to give me no calendars.
Give me no calendar.
Weed in the packages, sit to the shipping and handlers.
Shipping and handler.
Sit on the packages, if police coming, I'm out of
They
there.
coming, I'm out of there.
I'm out of there. Cause if I get caught, then I'm out of there. Be like Big T, what's the matter there? You whipping that girl like you mad at her. All you see is that Tech 9 on the 45 caliber. All you hear is boom, 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 boom. I'm about that life. Yeah, I'm about that life. Hanging out with goons all night. I hit a nigga right on sight. Cause I'm about that life. Yeah, cause I'm about that life. Nigga about that life. Yeah, cause I'm about that life. I'm about that life. Yeah, I'm about that life. Hanging out with goons all night. I hit a nigga right on sight. Cause I'm about that life. Yeah, cause I'm about that life. Nigga about that life. Yeah, cause I'm about that life. I'm about that life. Man, them niggas ain't about that life. I come out that night. They wish they never came out that night.